So, in this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important topic, that is just in time. Very important for your examination point of view. This topic comes from material cost, chapter number 2, and this is your lecture number 22. Okay, and this topic already comes in December 2018 examination, carries 4 marks. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, first, the meaning of just in time. As the name suggests, जस्ट इन टाइम इज ए वन टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्शन स्ट्रैटेजी. ये एक प्रोडक्शन स्ट्रैटेजी होता है जो कि स्ट्रीप करता है, इम्प्रूव करता है बिजनेस रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट बाय रिड्यूसिंग इन प्रोसेस एंड एसोसिएटेड कैरिंग कॉस्ट. जो भी एसोसिएटेड कैरिंग कॉस्ट होता है एंड इन प्रोसेस इन्वेंट्री कॉस्ट होता है, ये सब रिड्यूस करता है जस्ट इन टाइम. इन शॉर्ट वी कैन से जस्ट इन टाइम फोकस करता है राइट मटेरियल एट द राइट टाइम एट द राइट प्लेस एंड इन द एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट. इन द एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट फोकस करता है एट द राइट मटेरियल एट द राइट टाइम एट द राइट प्लेस एट एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट. ओके, without the safety net of inventory. That's why just in time is very essential to for production strategy. Okay, so this is the meaning of just in time. And now what are the advantages of just in time? So first and most important advantages of just in time is it increase emphasis on supplier relationship. A company without inventory does not want a supply system that create a parts shortage. So this makes supplier relationship extremely important. It increased emphasis on supplier relationship. सप्लाई रिलेशनशिप को ये इंक्रीज करता है, फोकस करता है सप्लाई रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रॉन्ग हो. एंड देन सप्लाई इज सिंक्रोनाइज्ड विथ प्रोडक्शन डिमांड एंड द ऑप्टिमल अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेंट्री इज ऑन हैंड एट एनी टाइम. ये सिंक्रोनाइज करता है प्रोडक्शन डिमांड के साथ, सो दैट ऑप्टिमल अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेंट्री on hand at any time. So second most important advantages of just in time is supply is synchronized with production demand and the optimal amount of inventory is on hand at any time. Then next advantages of just in time is it reduces the working capital requirement. कैसे? Now as very little inventory is maintained so that it reduces the working capital requirement. Just in time में क्या होता है ना, very less inventory is maintained for which reduces the working capital requirement. Okay, then another important advantages of just in time is it minimizes storage waste. ये storage space minimize करता है. Then it reduces the chance of inventory obsolescence और डैमेज. इसमें डैमेज और ऑब्सोलेंस होने का चांस बहुत लेस होता है, बहुत रिड्यूस होता है, as because it focuses on the right material at the right time at the right place and at the exact amount. Okay, so this is all about just in time. First, just in time you can say is a production strategy. It improve a business return on investment by reducing in process inventory and associated carrying costs. Then it focus on the right material at the right time at the right place with एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट. ये आपका मीनिंग, इतना आपको मीनिंग में इतना लिखना पड़ेगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट एडवांटेजेस ऑफ जस्ट इन टाइम. फर्स्ट, it increase emphasis on supply relationship. Then supply is synchronized with production demand and the optimal amount of inventory is on hand at any time. Then reduces the working capital requirement as very little inventory is maintained, as very little inventory is maintained. maintain. Then it minimizes storage space and it reduces the chances of inventory obsolescence or damage. So these are the advantages of just in time, and this is the meaning of just in time. So you just need to practice it as many times as possible. Okay, and remember on the points of advantages. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.